Okay. Hi everyone. So I just got off work again and I'm gonna open this package because I want to see what I got. So here's like 700 shirts. What else? Let's see. Might be missing some. Okay. So here's that one. Butterfly. There's that. I'm always missing stuff from AliExpress. What is that? That's the two crosses. Whatever one that is. And then this is the thick goth one. Then here's the green one. And here's that one. Ooh. So yeah, that's what I got. Plus this thing, which is a free gift. It says, where's it say gift? Gift. And that's the package. So I guess we'll see if any's missing. So everyone have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.